for a bike that combines classic two-stroke thrill with modern engineering? The 2025 Yamaha YZ250X is here, and it's turning heads in the off-road world. If you're a trail junkie or cross-country racer, stick around. This might be the machine you've been waiting for. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the latest evolution of Yamaha's iconic YZ250X. Refined power, legendary feel. At its heart, the YZ250X keeps its proven 249 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine. But for 2025, it comes with refined power delivery tailored for off-road domination. The updated ECU mapping and expansion chamber optimize mid-range torque without sacrificing the high RPM punch two-stroke fans crave. It's responsive, aggressive, and still shockingly lightweight. Race-ready suspension and chassis. The 2025 model gets updated KYB suspension settings, designed specifically for enduro and GNCC-style terrain. The fully adjustable forks and rear shock offer improved control over roots, rocks, and ruts. Yamaha's signature aluminum frame remains, delivering the perfect balance of rigidity and flex for high-speed stability and tight trail maneuverability. Modern ergonomics, classic DNA. New for 2025 is an updated seat profile and slimmer bodywork, giving riders improved grip and mobility. Paired with a narrow fuel tank and updated graphics, the YZ250X feels race-ready straight from the crate. No need for aftermarket upgrades. Final thoughts. Whether you're chasing trophies or carving single-track for fun, the 2025 Yamaha YZ250X blends heritage and performance like no other. Like, comment, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more expert takes on the latest in powersports. And tell us in the comments, would you ride this two-stroke beast?